Okay, so I'll be doing a test of soy fawn from the football field with just Shunko on, and then I'm going to try it with Shunko and Bankai on, and see how fast I am. He's speed gain on top. Alright, let's do it. What that speed do though? This is the just Shunko test with flash steps. Alright, it took about 4 or 5 flash steps to get us to completely. Now it's pop Bankai. Careful, your ears might get you raped in a minute here. And my son that loud. That far away. The second it pops off, let's go. Okay, it's on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. So yeah, that's pretty fucking fast. Goddamn, what that speed do though. Fuck. So fast, I overstepped my 110. But yeah, that's it. Got Bankai.